Welcome back to Healthy Happy Habits, your go-to destination for a healthier, happier you. Today we're diving into a topic that'll make your weight loss journey a breeze. The healthiest foods to fuel your success. Get ready to transform your plate and elevate your well-being. Let's kick things off with the green giants: spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutrient-packed leafy greens are low in calories but high in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Not only do they keep you full and satisfied, but their antioxidants also support overall health and metabolism. Time to make these leafy champions a regular on your plate. Now, let's talk about the superheroes of weight loss: lean proteins. Think chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu. Packed with protein, these options help maintain muscle mass during weight loss, boost metabolism, and keep those hunger pangs in check. Fire up the grill and embrace these lean protein powerhouses for a satisfying and effective weight loss journey. Add a splash of color to your plate with bell peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. These vibrant veggies not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide a hefty dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Make your meals a visual feast and enjoy the myriad of health benefits that come with these nutrient-packed vegetables. Get creative and watch those extra pounds melt away deliciously. Say goodbye to refined carbs and hello to whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats are your new best friends for sustained energy and weight management. Loaded with fiber, whole grains keep you feeling full, curb cravings, and support your overall health. Make the switch to whole grains and your body will thank you for the boost in energy and vitality. Fat can be your ally in the weight loss journey. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are rich in healthy fats that support metabolism and keep you feeling satisfied. Don't fear the fats, embrace them in moderation. These good fats play a vital role in nutrient absorption, so add them to your plate for a delicious and nutritious weight loss experience. And there you have it, the ultimate lineup of the healthiest foods to make your weight loss journey exciting and effective. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join the Healthy Happy Habits community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those positive habits alive.